Hey y'all, so I'm making peanut butter protein dip for my carrots. I eat this as a snack a lot, and I'll put the the nutrition facts up here for you. All I do, I use natural peanut butter, and this one I got this one at Walmart. Yeah, yeah, great. Oh, that's Walmart. Protein powder. I got this at Costco. I don't really like the cookies and cream the most, but vanilla wasn't on sale. The cookies and cream was on sale, so I'm using cookies and cream, but I really prefer vanilla protein powder, and I get the low carb one when I make this. Um, but I measure everything, and I'll put the steps to measuring listed for you guys. So I use a scale. I've had this scale forever. This is a Kamstein scale. I love it because it's really huge, and I can just put, entire, my containers. This is a small container, but I can put larger containers up here and it measures fine. But I measure out my protein powder for this. I think it was maybe 30, that might have been 34 grams of protein powder, and the peanut butter, it might have been 32 or something like that. But again, I'll post the exact measurements. And so I'll take this, and then I add water to it, because you have to add water to it. So I just use this. This is about 4 ounces. I pour water in there, take a knife, boom, 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 stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it. Then after that, this is when it's already stirred, I put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. The reason why I do that is because it thickens up. It makes it a really nice dip for the carrots when I stick the carrots in there. So I microwave that 30 seconds, and then I take that out and stir. Meantime, I rinse, they're soaking. It's just a little bit of dish soap and water. Rinse my carrots. I cut my carrots up. Reason being is because I tried as best I could to make this a really low cost snack, and believe it or not, this snack, carrots and peanut butter protein dip, per serving, it's less, than $1. So it was my goal to keep this to be a really low cost snack, and it is that, and to dollar or less. I get the carrot. These carrots I purchased at Aldi. A lot of times though, I will get the carrots at Costco, because I have a Costco membership and they have really awesome deals on veggies. So Costco great, Aldi's great as well. So if you guys have questions, I'll chop up a few, let you guys know what it looks like, all put together here in just a second. So real quick chop of the carrots. The bigger pieces, I'll just chop in threes, just like this. The smaller ones, chop them in twos. Then I just weigh this. And just to weigh this, so the first thing I do is I put an empty container here on the scale, and I tare it. Now, tearing is really just setting the scale to 0, but in order to make the scale say 0 with the container, I have to push that tear button. Once I do that, I can actually take the empty container off and weigh the filled container with the carrots. I'm putting 300 grams in here because I'm going to put 2 servings, but 1 serving is 150 grams of carrots. And again, I'll post this for you. Okay, and so this is what it looks like after 30 seconds of microwaving. You might need to stir it up again. It looks a little bit runny, but I took this one out of the fridge, and as you can see, it's now like thickened up a little bit more. So it will thicken up, but it just takes a little bit of time. This one was like in the fridge for probably 5 minutes, but you know, I'll just, you know, take my carrots and, you know, I'll dip, you know, my carrots in there for my peanut butter protein dip with carrots. Really easy snack, and it's $1 or less. I'll post all of the step-by-step instructions for you on my blog and in the description. So thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you liked it and want more. Thanks.